E-wheels, wrist guards, and a sticker. QA cert. Cable. Whoops. Here's the charger. The problem with this one is, so here is the charger. It's a 2.3 amp charger. So it's gonna take me forever to charge this Abrams. Thankfully I have the fast charger. There it is. Alright, I tried lifting it. I might need some help getting it out of the box. Or free up my hand. Turning it on earlier, it said no connection, so I'm assuming we have to plug this thing in. Alright, there you go. Plugged in. So look at that, I already got 1.2 miles on this thing as soon as I plugged it in. It's a pretty crappy day here in New York, so I won't be able to ride this thing until maybe tomorrow or Thursday. So I guess it'll be done charging by then at 2.3. It looks like it came fully charged. When I tried powering on earlier, it said no con, so I'm assuming it was in transport mode. So I'm gonna try unplugging it and turning it on to see what happens. There he goes. Alright, so it was in transport mode. Alright, I'm gonna give this thing a good yank test. Make sure it doesn't cut out. I don't think that's a good test, but for now it is. Oh man. Pretty right. Maybe tilt this down, adjust the screws. Wow, it really gets your kneecaps. I'll have to put some brushing pads on there. Alright, here we go. Brushing pads. The Russians at least not hurting my kneecaps. So I put my Russian pads on. Nice little pillows. Yeah. This thing gets wider. Alright, next one. Put the seat on. There's my seat. It's actually about the same as the Sherman in terms of the handlebar bend. So you can easily put this on.